All right, we're going to find the surface area of this triangular prism today. And if you remember from yesterday, the surface area is the space on the outside. So if I was going to wrap this with wrapping paper, how much would it take to wrap this triangular prism? So we need to find the area of each of the spaces, and because it's a triangular prism, there are 5 faces. So we'll have 5 faces to find the area of. So let's start with the top rectangle. So this top rectangle right here is 10.8 times 3. And that gives us 32.4. You should be writing this on your page. Then, if you can imagine, behind that face, back there, you have a side that has the height of 4, and what other side? Would have the height of 4 back here, and it would have the length of this side. So it would be 10 by 4, which gives us 40. Okay, and then we have this rectangular face over here. You can imagine that one. That one's 4 by 3, gets its side length here. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have 2 triangles left. So I'm going to do some erasing here. And there's 2 triangles, of course, one here and then the other one in the back. So how do we find the area of a triangle? Well, it's 1/2 the base times the height, and then times 2 because we have 2 of them. So we have 2 times 1/2, that gives us 1, times 10 times 4 gives us 40. And then we're going to add all of that up. And when you add all of that up, what do you get? 114.4 inches squared. If you didn't write all that down on your paper, you need to pause this video and write it all down. Alright, so this time we're going to take a look at the rectangular prism, and this one actually is a little bit easier than a triangular prism. We have 6 faces on this one, but we have duplicates. So we only really have to find the area of 3 of them and then just multiply them by 2. So if we look at the top face here, this is 6 by 8, and that would be the same as the bottom. So we're going to take it by 2. So 2 times 6 times 8, and that gives us 96. Okay, and then we have the right face here, and this is 6 by 14. So 6 times 14, but that would be the same as the left, so we're going to multiply that by 2. So 2 times 6 times 14 gives us 168. You should be writing all of this on your paper. So we did the top, the bottom, the right, the left, so we just have the front and the back. So this piece here is 8 by 14. And there are 2 of those. So 2 times 8 times 14 gives us 224. We're going to add all that up, and we get 488 feet squared. Again, if you didn't write that down, you need to pause this video, and you need to copy it all down. You have the rest of the prisms on this paper to do on your own. If you need to go back and rewatch the video to see how I did either of these, because you have more triangular prisms and more rectangular prisms, then go ahead and do that.